Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is our Romeo and Juliet prediction for GCSE English 2024. Now, before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share the video with your friends, and I would like to thank you all for your continuous support as we have received amazing feedback from you all. So I would really appreciate if you could share our channel as we continue to grow. And if you are interested in joining our amazing online tuition classes, do contact us via email, which is easyeducationlondon@gmail.com. Why join our online classes, you may ask? We have expert and professional teachers helping you and guiding you for your upcoming GCSE exams. We go through model answers, we provide constructive feedback, and we go through cheat sheets, and we give you an entire walkthrough of the exam paper. So if you want that academic boost, then you should seriously consider joining our online classes. Now, back to the video. The reason you clicked on this video simply because it's a Romeo and Juliet prediction for 2024. Now, just a important note here is that it is a prediction, so that means that you should not rely on it, okay? And your revision shouldn't solely rely on this. So you should still revise the key themes, the key quotes, etc. I'm sure you've heard me say this, many times in the previous years. So let's have a look at the past paper questions and see if we can find a pattern. So from 2023, which was last year, we had the question was from Act 3, Scene 2. And again, if you just go from 2023 down to 2022, 2021, all the way to 2017, there's certain patterns that you can spot. And obviously, the exam board don't want to make it predictable. So they do want to make sure that it's almost unpredictable. So if we look at the questions that have been provided in the previous years, we can find a common pattern, and I'm just going to use my pen here. What seems to arise often here is the question on feelings. Specifically, if we look at the character of Romeo and Juliet, they explore how their feelings are expressed, and that is a typical question that could come up in your exam. But again, is that possible? Yes. Is that not possible as well? That's also yes as well. So I would say it's unlikely that it would come up again because it's come up multiple times now, and it's unlikely that it would come up again. But saying that, it's still important that you are revising this because who knows, it may reappear. Now let's have a look at our predictions in further detail, specifically for 2024. Now, if you want to take a screenshot, do take a screenshot. These are the previous past paper questions that we are looking at or that we've done. Now, to those of you who I've taught, I'm sure we've done these past papers in our online tuition classes. We've gone through model answers and you've all have attempted this question. So let's have a look at the 2024 possible predictions. Now, if you have a look at the previous years, we are yet to have a question from Act 5, okay, but also from Act 4. So that is something that you want to consider looking at. The exam board may decide to actually give you a question from either Act 5 or Act 4. The reason being, it hasn't appeared so far. Okay, so who knows? It could appear, and it's something that you want to prepare for. So if I was you personally, I look at the key quotes, the key themes that arise, and the key events that arise from Act 4 to Act 5, because who knows, it may well appear this year. So it'd be wise to definitely look at that in preparation for your exams. Fate, honor, family, okay, death. These are all, again, areas that are, haven't been assessed in thorough detail in the previous years. So there's definitely a possibility that these or one of these would come up in your exams in May 2024. So if I was to make a prediction, these are some areas for you to explore. And if you look at the previous years, you spot the patterns, you'll see that these are areas that haven't come up as frequently, okay? And possibly the exam board may decide that these are some areas that need to be examined as well. So that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. And thank you once again for all your support, and I shall see you very soon. Thank you.